Hello, and welcome to Crocheting with the Classics. Today, we're going to be working on increases and decreases. And Milton is bringing me my little yarn and my hook. He's so nice. I really am. Now, you're probably wondering, why is she showing me a little mushroom man? Because the little mushroom man is made entirely of increases and decreases. So the things you can do by just mastering these, you can make just about anything you want, including adorable little mushrooms. I am cute. So, if you want Milton, by the way, the pattern's down in the description below. Well, the link to the pattern anyway. It's on my Etsy shop. Alright, off you go. Doo, 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 doo. Yes, I am a 41-year-old woman playing with dolls. I have no regrets. Alright. So, back to this. For an increase, all you're doing is putting two of the same kind of stitch into the same place. So if it's a single crochet, you're just going to be doing one single crochet, and then in the same spot, two single crochets. Now, if it says a 3 SC increase, you put 3 in the same spot. Same for whatever number it's going for. But most of the time, if you're doing an increase and it just says increase, it means 2. All right, so for a double crochet, let's do that one. One double crochet, and then in the same place, another double crochet. So there's a single crochet increase, double crochet increase. Basically, any stitch it tells you to increase, you just put it in the same place. Easy peasy. The decreases are a little odder, but they're not hard. All right, so let's say we've got a single crochet decrease. So we're going to go here, insert, pull through. And then we're going to go in the next one before we do anything else. Insert, yarn over, pull through. So we've got 3 loops on the hook, and we're going to pull through all 3. Okay? So you notice you get this little knot. So let's do that again. Insert, yarn over, pull through. Insert, next one, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so there are my 2 single crochet decreases. And you notice at the top, instead of 4 stitches, which we've covered, we've got 2. 1, 2. Like that. All right. Let me give myself some working room here. Now, let's say I want a double crochet increase. So in that case, I'm going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. But I'm going to leave the top 2 stitches, the top 2 loops, unworked. Then I'm going to go yarn over into the next one. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, leaving those two worked and this one not, and then I've got 3 loops on the hook again. Yarn over, pull through all 3. So basically, for a decrease, you're not going to do the last loop until the end of the decrease on each one. So let's look at a triple crochet, or a treble crochet if you want to call it that. So we yarn over twice, we go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. But we've still got that last loop. Now yarn over twice, insert into the next one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then, with all the loops on the hook, we go yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so that's how you do the decreases. I hope this was helpful to everyone, and thanks for being with me today. Milton says goodbye.